Good day, traders. How are y'all doing today? It's Monday, May the 15th. We're in the middle of the month here. We're looking at the NASDAQ 5-minute chart. We're looking for divergence. Yes, indeed. Let's see if I can find it. I'm sure I can. From here to here, right? From here to here. Oh, let's line them up. Oh, look, it's even the lower one. It's this one. And yeah, that one lines up with that one. There. That is going down. Well, they're both going down, but anyway. It definitely is divergence. I mean, this one's going up, this one's going down. La, la, la. Okay. So, your entry would be, if you are following my divergence system, would be when the 5 crosses down below the 7 and we see something here that's in my course. I'm not going to talk about it. And you would sell right here. Boom. You'd put your stop about right there, about right up to this high. 21-point stop. There is 40. There's your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio right there. Then we came down and we closed up here, right at the pivot. This would have been my scalper trade setup where you sell it at a better price from a candle that is closing up in a downtrend. Okay? And as you can see, it did that again over here, but I would not sell it because you got to know the temperament and the way this thing trades. I actually thought, I was watching it. I traded this today, and I got and I can't talk. Anyway, I got about 50 points from it. And when it rallied back up here, and then it was up here, I thought for sure they did their little sell fake, and then they were going to take it right up. But they smacked it back down, and look what they did. So I got in right here, got out right down here, 50 points. It was good. Let's take a look at the Dow now. This is basically a double top, even though it exceeded it a little bit. Doesn't matter. I'm making weird noises today, sorry. Anyway, this is the double top. Doesn't have to be perfect. To most traders, this is a double top. Just like that. Nothing's perfect in this world. You aren't perfect. I'm not perfect. But anyway, so you would have entered right here. Your stop would have been up here about 60 points or so. Or you could have waited for it to break through this support here and, and come down and go through the 33,400 level. Then say you would have sold it somewhere in here. Okay? Went down 200 points, ladies and gentlemen, with a 60-point stop. That's 3-to-1 win-loss ratio. Which is really good. Really good. There's no divergence down here to buy it. Oh, I'm looking at the 15-minute. Oh, well. 5-minute. Yeah. There's divergence on the 5-minute too. Let me show you. Sorry about that. I was looking at it on the 15. There's the... right there. Okay? There's divergence. It's going down. It's going up. You would have sold right in here. And down it goes. 250 points from the entry point at R1. Now, down here, when we put in a low, and a lower low. That was divergence to buy right there. And it went up 97 points so far. All right, let's move on to the S&P 500. We're looking at the 15-minute again. It's divergent, but we'll take it from the 5, okay? So right from here, right across, just like the R1 line. And right here to right here. Oh, I'm forgetting my little doodahs. Here we go. Doodah, doodah, old doodah day. Okay, back to business. Right here, sell here. And it's about a 5 to 6 point stop. I'll put my stop right here. 6 point stop. How far did we go down, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, 27 points. Give her a few here and there. Yeah. Is there divergence down here? No. All right, let's move on to oil. Oh, oil just took off up. Oh, that's a 15-minute. What about on the 5-minute? Oh, no, there's no divergence here. Yeah, or here. I don't see no divergence, man. Where's the divergence? It's on the 15, right? Let's see the 15. Yeah, right here. See right here to right here? Let me show you. Divergence appears on every time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Every time frame, okay? So from here to there, boom. And from there to there. That's divergence. That is divergence. This one's going up. This one's going down. Price is going up. So you would have bought right in here somewhere. Right at resistance. That's the problem with hidden divergence. It's always at the top of the chart you're going to buy, or it's always at the bottom of the chart you're going to sell, and it's always at support for selling or resistance for buying. So it's very scary to trade it, and I think a lot of divergence traders don't want to trade it. Because look about it. According to my system, we need a cross up and a close above the moving averages, right? So, just got some stupid thing there. Went ding ding. Anyway, you got to buy right here, like a few ticks from the top of the day. You know what I mean? But still, if you did it, you did okay. You made like, you're up to 50 points here, or 50 ticks, and it's a 50 tick stop. So you would have done okay on the 15. Let's look at the pound yen. Ooh, pound yen looking ugly. Fugly. Fugly pound yen right here. Look at this low and lower low, but that ain't divergence because it came down too far, too fast, and it doesn't create the divergence that we want. On the OSMA, let's take a look at the euro yen. Oh, looky here. There was divergence all over town here, but, and it's a big but. See that? And that goes down, see? Sell right here. Guess what time that was? It was the news time. The entry point was to sell when the news struck. So that's a no trade right there. No trade, even though it went all the way down here, unless you wanted to sell it here after it cleared through everything. Your stop would be about 40 points. Let's see. And went down 27. And then they just rallied it back up. Look at this thing. Look at this. Look at this V. The V pattern. Okay, then we got more divergence here, right here. Double tops, triple tops, whatever. and an arrow to go down. You would sell it here and you'd still be in the trade. Maybe it's going to go back down here. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, that's it for the euro yen. And what about gold? Oh, look at gold. Is gold golden today? Yeah, it is. It is. It is. Low and lower lows. See, they had all these people buying right in here. See all them blue candles? That's bulls buying, baby. And what happened? Then the bears sold it back down, sold it down. And right here, they got some more, they got the stops. And then there was more people. Oh, look, look, look. It's going to go. It's going to go. It's going to go. It's going to go way up here. I know it. I know it. I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy. Yeah, right here, right here. And what did they do, ladies and gentlemen? The bears, or the manipulative market players in this market, took it back down, and their stops were right here. And they got some of the stops. They didn't get them all, because smarter traders would probably put their stop below this main pivot level here. Because look what they did. They bought off this pivot to the T. They bought it. It's incredible how much they respect this pivot. These pivots. There's only one pivots that they respect. There's a whole bunch of different indicators for pivots. And most of them are useless. Anyway, back to the divergence. So we got a low and a lower low. And we got a higher low right there. And we got a arrow to buy it. But guess what? You can't buy that trade either. Why is that? Because that's the news candle. That's the news spike right here, this big wick. Unless you had the balls to buy it right here after the retrace, okay? And your stop would be down here, 40 points. Oh, so close, but no cigar. 38 points. Yeah. Now, is there divergence here to sell? I don't think so. No, there isn't. Nah. Is there divergence here to buy? Well, let's see. That would be here. Okay, I have to put it to there. Yeah, right there. I'll fix it in a second. Right here. Right here to right here. Anyway, it's divergent. You would have bought right in here. You could have bought on the close of this candle or the close of this one at the better price would be this one. So let's just say we bought it right here. Okay, stop would be 29 points. Guess what? It went up 29 points, went up 49. Then we have a high and a higher high and a lower high on the indicator. And if you were brave enough to jump in here in mid-flight of the candle dropping, you would have sold it here. Your stop would be 40 points. And it went down 47. Look at that shit, man. Divergence works over and over and over again. That's why I'm doing these videos, because I honestly don't know how much time I have left in this world. I'm very, very ill health-wise, thanks to our governments. But anyway, that's about all I'm going to say about that. So I'm here to make the best of it, to share my trading knowledge. And hopefully 50 to 100 years from now, in the next trading generation, there will be these videos will still be up, and people, you know, can still learn from my trading knowledge. Let's look at the pound now. Oh, pound, real bad, real bad. Does it even look any better on the 15? Oh, a little better. Is there a trade? Yeah, there is. Right here to right here. See, when something looks a mess, you just go to a higher time frame and you smooth out the noise. And you look for what you can find, right? And we'll just go to this one. There. Oh, look at that one. It's another signal, right? Live action. Live action. Okay, and this one is right here. So this one, you would have been buying at resistance. Remember, this is hidden divergence. And this here was at the top of the chart when this setup happened. So anyway, you would have bought here and it went up 30 points. And here's another one right here when this candle closes in 6, almost 7 minutes. This is the 15-minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen. I moved it up to find these two entry points. Let's, oh no, we already covered it. Oh, let me just show this here. I just wanted to show you, 2009, I created this system. It's called Forex Pip Snagger. Okay. And still works today. Here was a sell right in here. Here was a buy right in here. It worked. Another buy right here, but it was the news. Here's a sell over here, and it went all the way down, and it worked. This is Forex Pip Snagger 2. This is with the more advanced filter in the bottom. But anyway, if any of you care to, support the channel a little bit, you will get the Forex, excuse me, you'll get the Divergence course, video course, and I'll throw in this system for free if you decide to get the system. So anyway, once again, this is Jason Sweezy here from Divergence Trading 101. Good luck and good trading.